Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video ay another about credit card na naman. So sa mga past video ko, ang lagi kong ginagawa ng video is about East West credit card. But before ako nagkaroon ng East West credit card, yung pinakaunang credit card ko ay si Security Bank Wave. Ito. Si Security Bank Wave ay no annual fee. Ito yung pinakaunang credit card ko, and gusto ko siya dahil na rin sa wala siyang annual fee. But then, wala kang makukuhang cashback or rebate sa mga pinopurchase mo. However, they will offer you, or they have a lot of promos na pwede mong i-avail. For example, they have this certain month of promo na kung makaka-accumulate ka ng worth 20,000 na paggastos gamit ang inyong credit card, you will get a points that you can use to convert for code sa shops, online shops like H&M, Food Panda, Grab, something like that, and also GCash. Sa akin, naka-avail na ko last time. GCash, kino-convert ko siya ng GCash and Food Panda coupon. So, okay na rin, di ba? Wala ka nang babayaran na annual fee. And for this credit card that they gave me, medyo malaki yung kanyang credit limit. So, para pag mga ganun kasi, malaki din yung mga annual fee, like mga 3,000 something, tulad dun sa aking East West credit card. So, paano ko ba siya na-avail, or paano ako nag-apply for the Security Bank Wave credit card? Unang-una, hindi ako nag-apply. Message me. They contact me via call, and then they offer me a credit card. Sabi nila, I am qualified for a credit card. So, napatanong ako sa sarili ko, paano ako na-qualify or na-qualified? So, andun sa website nila, hindi ko siya ni-review ngayon, but dati, if you accumulate or nagpasok ka ng pera sa inyong account na umabot ng 100,000, they will offer you a credit card and you are qualified for a credit card. So, ganun yung nangyari sa akin. Ask me to provide those requirements. So, ang binigay ko sa kanila is, of course, yung ID, ITR ko. Ayun lang. Yun lang yung aking binigay. So, magkano ba ang credit limit na binigay nila sa akin? Na-shock ako that time kasi first time ko nagkaroon ng credit card, and napaka-generous ng binigay nilang credit limit sa akin. It's 500,000. So, ilang days bago ako na-approve. So, yung timeline ng aking application ay hindi naman talaga siya application. Ito yung timeline ng aking Security Bank account. Nag-open ako ng account around February, and then pagka June 11, dun sila tumawag sa akin. Tapos right away, after the call, they provide the requirements. After that was June 11, 2024, na approve June 20. Ayan. So, ayan. Hello, Security Bank, from Security Bank. Ayan. Na-approved yung aking MasterCard, and the delivery will be 14 days. Di ba? And nakuha ko siya July 4. So, ayan, medyo madali lang siya. And kunuha ko siya directly dun sa Air 21 dito sa amin. Kasi hindi talaga sila magme-message. They will not send you a message na you have something here like that. So ako, hinanap ko yung address ng courier sa amin dito. And then pumunta ako dun sa kanilang outlet, and I asked about it. So, they provide naman din. Yung nagbigay sa akin ng credit card is super mabait, and hindi ka talaga makakasense ng mga parang disturbo ka sa buhay nila, mga ganun. lagi na kayo nag-a-apply ng credit card tapos nag-fail or di-decline naman din yung mga banks, why not try Security Bank and maglagay lang kayo ng around 100,000 sa inyong account. So, I will suggest you will open the all-in-one account which is around 25,000. Yun yung opening dapat para kasi yun yung pinakamalaki nila eh. So, you'll have greater chance to be invited to apply for the credit card. And I think if you are invited, parang nasa 99.99% na ma-approve ka kasi inalok ka na nila, di ba? If you have questions, comment down below. Please don't comment hates kasi, yeah, hindi siya nakakatulong. Thank you so much for dropping by and checking out this video.